en oscuridad de la mano. Turco sta birra possibile. Slip beneath the surface slowly, torchlight cutting through the blue. I can see the reef awakening like I've never seen it do. Every color starts emerging, hidden far from daylight sight. Greens and oranges surround me, burning softly through the night. Raise your light into the darkness, watch the hidden colors rise. Like a Curaçao, silent creatures start to rise. Different movements, different stories, appearing underneath the tides. Every glow becomes a snapshot, every light becomes a sign, helping us protect the corals for the generations in time. Raise your light into the darkness, watch the hidden colors rise. La cabocura sombría, manera coral de la noche. Ocean lights glowing on the reef tonight. Ocean lights showing colors out of sight. Watch the corals lighting up before your eyes. Ocean lights, oh, we're alive beneath the tide. Dene luz di la mano, nostra mira vida novo. Dene oscuridad di anoche, turco sta birra possibile. No pressure, no fear, just the ocean leading us here. Take me deeper, 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 deeper. La che coralla
queda canta. Y el corral